Well, good morning, wonderful bee people. I'm Bob Walker with Walker Bee Ranch, and I got a call from, actually not really a call, I got a notification on the Book of Faces that there's somebody has a small swarm in their yard. So I'm driving to go get it, and I'm taking you along with me, so let's buckle up. It's a small swarm. I've got a pro nuke and about 3 old combs in the box, so we're gonna see what we get, and we'll see you there. All right, so here we are. Here's the swarm. A little bit of honeybee action here. Let's see. They're not very big. Not a very big swarm. Let me get my veil on, get some gloves, and see what we can do. All right, let's see. We don't have much here, much bees. Let's see if we can get them on one of these older combs. Maybe one of these. Get some of them. Of course, they're up against the fence, so maybe just a little rubby action here. And maybe if we move these a little closer, oh, they'll start fanning a bit. See, maybe I can find a queen. I'll just use the, well, try to use the lid here. Scoop them off of this round piece here. Pop them in the box. Problem is you never see the queen. Probably on the back. So we're gonna start doing the old scoop and dump here. Of course, I knocked them. There she is. Got the queen, baby. Got the queen. Now the question is, do I have a queen roller or a queen cage in the car? Probably not, or a queen clip even. Let me see. We got her. I think I might have a queen clip. Maybe. In the truck. Possibly. Of course not. Nope. Do I have one in my bag? Got the queen. Let me close the roller cage up. Maybe close the big end first. Then make her go inside there. Got her, baby. Got the queen. It's all but done now. All but done now. Just that quick. We'll set her on the top. You know, that's one of the first times I've ever found the queen. Now let's just see if we can agitate these girls down to her, and not kill her, rolling her into the cage there. Of course, she doesn't have to be the only queen. Let's see, we'll just scoop them. Scoop, this is actually a bigger swarm than I thought it was. They're actually inside of there. Now they know where she's at. We're just gonna They are going in and out of this thing, so they were trying to build a home in there. But we got her now, baby. Now the question is, I don't think I can legally open this up. They are going in and out of the hole. So there could be a queen in there, or they decided to move in. I'm probably gonna spray some honey robber in there, honey be gone rather. So that was pretty easy for that one. It's not a huge swarm, but a nice little swarm nonetheless. Get our trusty honey be gone. Make sure there's none in that box. And let's get a nice try to force them out. That's actually the broadband wireless connection. So I don't know if we got the queen, we got a queen. I wish this little thing would just come off, but it looks like they got it bolted down pretty good. They looks like they were prepping it. Don't look like there was that many bees in there. That stuff really keeps them away from it. Probably got to stop and get another bottle. So I'm gonna need it for my honey, to get my honey out. Look at him go there. This thing's got a lot. Oh, let's see what they got in here. Actually was not bad. Not too many bees in here. Just a few bees, a drone, a couple bees. Not bad. And I'm just gonna, I just sprayed a little honeybee gone in it. And I will slide this right back on. So now that smell will envelop them. Keep them away from that little cavity. But they found Her Majesty here, and they're all fanning. All right, one side closed up, one side open. One thing is I don't want them flying back out. Went ahead and set the box on top just to give them a little bit of incentive to find the box instead of finding the post, and we'll let them collaborate there for a minute before we take them out of here. Ain't many bees left out here, but you know, get as many as we can. But there's going to be foragers, so try to capture as many bees as we can. Honeys, we're home. Now where to put your beautiful buzzing selves. I think we're gonna go over to the 2-frame yard. Set y'all up over here somewhere. I don't know if y'all are getting robbed out or if there's bees in there. So what we're probably gonna do, looks like a robbery situation. However, the funny thing is there's no feed on those, so don't know what we're gonna do. So, I'm gonna try to move these somewhere and put these bees right on the end. Well, that's curious. All right, let's set them an entrance. Open them up. Well, where's the queen? Where did she go? There she is. Is she dead? I hope not. Well, that's interesting. She fell down and they're chilling. Let me see what's going on at this colony. Are they getting robbed? Is that what's happening over here? Because if they are, I'll steal that frame with the brood on it. Well, looks like they're getting robbed. So we're going to take this frame of brood. Yeah, it looks like that little two-framer is getting robbed out. So I'm going to take this frame of brood, drop it down in this nuke right here. And I'll see, and there's no queen on it. See what happens. Right there. See if they start moving right away to it. Yeah, look at them. Moving right away. Right over to that brood. Let's see. This is your queen. Why are we not covering her up? Alright, let's close these up for a minute. See what they do. You know, there could be another queen in here. Could check that just to make sure. There's not really that many nothing on there. Not that many bees, but they are. Just trying to make sure there's not two queens in here. This is the one I just moved from that two framer over there. They're already on this food and pollen. Not sure why this is getting robbed out. It had nothing in it. Always. Hopefully she didn't die. She might have died. Please tell me she didn't die. She died. God damn it. Dead queen bee. So there was one bee. So since that queen died, I took the queen out of this first nuke box, which is one of Jose's mark queens. Now that she's laid eggs in that other box, and they're pretty strong, we're going to let them make a queen. And we're going to take this queen, mated queen, and see how they like her. See how they care for Jose's queen. starting to come over and check her out. Still got a bunch on the inside there. So I think they're digging her. What do you think? These other bees haven't decided they like her yet. Maybe the pheromone just hadn't wafted around in there enough. They are fanning. We're going to close her up in here, and looks like they're digging her pretty good right now. Alright, so I guess we'll just washboarding inside. That's about. Well, they're locked in now. Queen is caged. We'll see how they do. Right there on the end.